even? Yeah. 1 cup flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened. Yeah, see it? Tablespoons of butter, and we're adding some vegetable oil. You can even add some coconut oil. And yeah, now pour it in, around 1 cup of oil and butter mixed. Now we add in 3 eggs. Whisk it. Now we add in 1 cup of coconut sugar. I've done half demerara, half coconut. Half a cup of maple syrup. A tablespoon of
Coffee.
Teaspoon and a half of vanilla essence. So we have used self-raising flour, which is gluten-free and dairy-free. But you can use normal self-raising flour. Okay, now we start adding our flour mixture with our cocoa powder. Yes, yeah. Stir it,
Yeah.
stir it. Stir it all in one direction, yeah? Yeah. Come on, do it. Good job. Yeah, mix it all in.
Yep, I'm mixing.
Stir it. This is how you get nice gooey brownies. Look at it. Yummy. Great. Super. Now goes in our chocolate chips. Yeah. Around 3/4 cup.
Wow, this is so yummy.
That looks really good. Look at that. Yum. Pour it out. Yummy. Yummy. Yes, we've got some roasted walnuts. Wow. Just look at that. Yummy. That is so yummy. Something about chocolate and walnuts and brownies. Okay, that's it. Now we put it in the oven for 25 minutes only. We don't want to overbake our brownies. We want them really fudgy and soft. So in it goes at 180 degrees, only for 20 to 25 minutes. Oh, just look at this. It's still slightly warm. We just let it cool for around 20 minutes. And our hot brownies
Are ready. I love you.
Yay! You did good.
I
Love you! Now let's cut this.
yummy.
Look at how beautiful this is. Oh. Oh. Just look at this. Jan, take a bite. Proof is in the pudding.
Hot, motherfucker. Whoa,
Oh my god. Really divine?
Beautiful.
Yeah? So should people make it?
Definitely.
Yummy! Fudgy chocolate brownies made easy.